Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today is part one of a four-part series that I'm making about how to create a Discord bot and make it do cool things, okay? So let's go. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you the whole steps, all the steps of how the beginners, for the beginners. So there are 16 steps. The first step is to download the following things. So hold on. So let's go here. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is you're going to have to download node.js, which is kind of like a JavaScript translator kind of. And then you're going to have to download that. Second thing you're going to have to download is a code editor. So the one I use is called Visual Studio Code. So this is the one I recommend, but there are a couple others. There's Ripple.it, and then there's Atom. You can download any of these if you want, but I highly recommend Visual Studio Code. So you're gonna have to download those. I have already downloaded them. So step 2 is to create a bot application. So you're gonna have to go to Discord developer portal, and this is the link right here, discord.com/developer/applications. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna create a new application, and you're gonna name it whatever you want. So like we can name this something like, I don't know, yeah, and then it's just like a test, so channel bot test. So that's it. You just have to enter the name, and it's everything's created. So I'm just gonna choose the first one that comes up, and yeah, and that's just a random photo I did. So we can save the changes. If you want, you can type in a description. So you can do like, this is a bot test for my channel, which can do pretty neat things. You're gonna have to go to bot here, and you're going to have to press add bot, and yeah, this is it. So you have created the application. Step 3 is to open Discord permissions calculator. So we can go here, Discord permissions calculator, and I recommend discordapi.com. So you can make it whatever you want. I'll fast forward this part, so I'm just gonna make it select everything, and I'm going to select everything. I'm gonna fast forward this part. Go back here, and you're gonna have to go to, oh yeah, I'm gonna have to save the changes. So then you're gonna have to go to OAuth2, and this is your client ID. So, and now it should work. Yes, it works. Let's go. Now this is I created a brand, so bot tester server. I created a brand new account just for this. So bot tester, yeah. And then we can continue, and yeah. So we have to select that we're human, and yes, it has come. Yeah. So now we can close it, and yeah, now we can go here. Okay, so next step is to create a folder. So let's go here. So I've already created a folder, so you can put it. You have to put it in one of these like big things. I call them like the big folders. So 3D objects, desktop, documents, downloads, music, pictures, videos, and then you can put it in the disks if you want. But So let's go to 3D objects, and I've created a folder. You can put it, I'd recommend putting it in desktop. For some reason it wasn't working for me. The next step wasn't working for me with desktop, so I put it in 3D objects. So that's my folder. You have to right click on it, new, and then create a folder right there. Okay. Now, next step, open command prompt. So if you go here, you just have to type in CMD or C. I mean, if it's for me, because I recently searched it up, but you would type in CM, or you can type in CMD, and there it is. So, okay. So now we type in the place that we stored the folder. Okay, now that's 3D objects. Oh yeah, CD. You have to type in CD and then 3D objects or desktop, wherever you stored it. Now this will become your new thing. This used to be C users and then your sign-in name. Now it's C users, sign-in name, and then 3D objects. Now you type in any subfolders if you have like a subfolder inside one of these, but mine is just straight there, so it's called bot testing. So bot testing. Oh yeah, CD bot testing. I keep forgetting that. Now next, you have to type in npm init. So we can. So this is the package name. This will so you can read all this. So this utility will walk you through creating a package.json file. That's what npm init will do. And then you can type in npm help init, and yeah, for the definitive documentation on these fields and exactly what they do. If you want, you can type in npm help init with those things. So hold on, npm init, yeah, just that. Okay, so if you're good with this, enter, and then version, yeah, description, you can type in description if you want. Okay, so this is entry point. So index.js will be like the, what do you call it, the standard, but that's what it will come with. But you can type in whatever you want, whatever you want. So start.js, you can put like main.js or like s.js or whatever. So I'm just gonna put start.js. And then test command, yeah, you don't really need these. Author, almost everything. And then you don't need a license. Yes, you can type in. Now, we can go here. And then, so you can go to folder. And there you go, package. And here you go, this is everything. It's in the notepad. And then, like, yeah. So now you can go to go back to command prompt. You can cancel this. Now next, you can type in code space dot to open your what do you call it? Code editor. Now you just have to wait for a little bit. And if you go here, there you go. All that is over here. So now next step, you have to go to the command prompt and type in npm install discord.js. Okay, so I think I already downloaded this before because I have another bot. So let's see what happens if you type in an npm npm install discord.js. Yeah, so it should download. I already downloaded, but this will download all the packages and modules to help you. To make the bot. Okay. So create file with the name of .js. So mine's was start.js. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, start.js. Okay. So create file start.js. And there you go. It is a JS file. Okay. Next, you have to write the code that I say in that JS file. So this isn't actually node.js. This is node space dot. So let's go here. Okay, I have it written down in a notebook, the code. Okay, so first you're going to write in the first one, const discord is okay, so const.discord is equal to require, and then and then single quotation marks, discord.js. Then you're going to go to the end and put the semicolon, and then skip a line. Const discord is equal to new space new discord.client, and then brackets, and then semicolon. And then what you're gonna do, I'm gonna skip 2 lines again. You're gonna do client dot once, or hold on, client. Let's see. Let's see if this works. Client dot once, and then ready. Or you're supposed to put that in single quotations. And then C, C, and then you're supposed to kind of make an arrow with the with that, and then you're supposed to do, and then there. Yeah. Now go down here. So this is what you're supposed to do, and then over here you're supposed to tab, and then console.log, and then so what you're supposed to do here is in single quotations, you're supposed to put whatever you want it to respond when you bring the bot online. So I'm just gonna put I am online, and I'm gonna end that off with semicolon. I'm gonna go down here and then end that off. With it, and then you're gonna do end parentheses and then semicolon. Then what you're gonna do down here, you're gonna skip a few spaces, not a few, but a lot of spaces. Down here, you're gonna put client login, and then you're gonna put, and then so now what you're gonna do here, this will log in to the bot and bring it online. It will log into the bot and bring it online. So what you're gonna do here, you're gonna go all the way back here. You're going to go to general information, and no, not general information. Where is it? Bot. Yeah, bot. And then this is a secret token that will be. It's basically like kind of like the username and password that will log in. So I'm not gonna reveal it because it's like a username and password. So if you accidentally reveal it to somebody else, you can easily regenerate it. So okay, copied. Now let's put it in here. So that. Well, now I'm gonna have to regenerate it. So yeah. So this should be it. So unless I did something wrong. So that was step 15. Step 16. This should be the last step. For the part 1. Open new terminal and type node space dot. Okay, I made a mistake. You're gonna have to replace this Discord with client. So that's what you're gonna have to do. So now let's save it. So what we're gonna have to do is let's create a new terminal, node space dot, and now it comes. I am online. Let's go here. It's online. See right there. So thanks for watching, guys. Like this video and subscribe to my channel and share my channel to others, because yeah, I think it'd be helpful to some people who want to create a Discord bot. So thanks, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you later. Bye.